Hi, this is Alex Masichev of Intvillion, the developers of DITAToo DITA CMS. I am excited to announce the new release of DITAToo that we've labeled 2017 R1. In the new release, we've added quite a few new features, and in the next few minutes I am going to show you the most important and most interesting ones. I'd like to start with a feature that will be especially useful for those teams whose members are geographically distributed. In the past, if your team was located across multiple locations, you would have to have a single central repository to which all the teams would be connected. This inevitably caused communication lags for remote teams because the signal has to travel around the globe to the content repository. So if you were located in San Francisco, while the content repository was deployed on your European premises, depending on the quality of your network connection, network setup in your US and European offices, firewall settings, and some other parameters, you could experience delays in communication with the repository. Now, it's all different. Now, instead of setting up one central repository for each team, their own repository is set up. For example, if the team is based in 2 locations in the US, 1 location in Europe, and 1 location in India, 4 repositories are set up on the premises of each team, 1 repository per location. Each team will work with the repository that is closest to their geographical location. To synchronize local content repositories and ensure that all the teams are working with the same content, a synchronization server is set up. The synchronization server is silently running in the background and is continuously synchronizing all local repositories. So each team connects to the repository which is local to them, and thanks to the synchronization server, each local repository always has the same data as all other local repositories. This distributed architecture will be a great improvement to any geographically dispersed team. Another big feature is the ability to access translations directly from DITAToo Virtual Drive. Clicking on the Virtual Drive icon in the system tray gives you a new option, Switch Language. You can choose the language, and DITAToo Virtual Drive displays the content in this language. But most importantly, this feature lets you write a simple script that can programmatically upload and download multiple translations at once. It's useful if you received a bunch of translations from your translation agency and want to add them all at once. Instead of manually uploading multiple translations one by one, as you would do with a regular DITAToo user interface, you run such a script and all your translations are uploaded to the repository automatically. We've documented the batch upload and download and included some code examples into DITAToo Virtual User Guide. It's all there. Now, let's go to DITAToo. As you may notice, we've rearranged the menus. And this is just the first step in a series of improvements we are planning to do in the user interface. The feature that I want to show you now is the ability to find broken links. DITAToo gives you a list of all broken links in the search results pane. It shows the name of the topic or map that includes the broken link and the name of the non-existing file. DITAToo now lets me also see the outgoing links. If the outgoing link is broken, DITAToo highlights it. Another quite useful feature is searching for orphan files that are not referenced by anyone. It's helpful to have this information because if a file is not used by anyone, maybe it's an indication that you should get rid of it. When you're going to exit DITAToo, DITAToo checks whether you left any files in the checked out state and gives you a warning. Maybe you just want to come back and check them in before you leave. DITAToo 2017 R1 provides even more new amazing features and improvements. You can find more information about them on our website, and we'll be happy to see you in our community in LinkedIn, where we discuss both DITAToo related topics and general data issues. Thank you.